Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good day, whatever time you're listening and watching. How are you doing today? God has been so good to us. And remember to give God thanks. Let me see those who pray this morning. Just hold up your hand. Let me see those who pray this morning. I did. I did. Anyway, we still have to give God thanks no matter what. Even if you didn't pray this morning, we still have to give God thanks. Today, I'm going to show you. The other day, I cooked some beetroot chicken and it was requested of me to do it again. So I'm going to make some more beetroot chicken. Alright? So watch as I go. And to my subscribers and to my viewers and those who may comment, thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for blessing up my channel. Thank you for sharing my channel. Alright? God has been so good to us. And it doesn't matter the comment that you made. That's okay. That's okay. It doesn't matter. Somebody says in my comment that they can't see the food properly. So what I do, I try to work on that. Because I'm not really a video person, so I'm just learning the process as I go. So what I am trying to do now, I put the camera a bit nearer to the stove or to the pot. Alright, so I learn as I go. Thank you for making that comment. Thank you very much. Now I am learning. If you don't make a comment, I cannot learn. Alright, so make a comment and then I work on that. So I try to put the camera a bit nearer to the food. Alright, thanks for watching. Blessing every time. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I season my chicken already. I showed you the other day how I really season my chicken. So I have a leftover piece that I season. So I'm going to I just put a little seasoning on it, so I'm going to show you the rest of the season. But I already washed clean, seasoned it, and it was in the freezer, so I took it out, so I'm going to show you. So it's beetroot chicken, alright, with a little coconut milk in it. So watch as I go, alright? So here is my chicken, alright? I season it in half, so I'm going to cut it up and put some more seasoning on it. So as I wash it with the lemon or vinegar, and then I just season it. So I'm going to show you my seasoning. So I'm going to put some more seasoning on it. Alright, and this is my beetroot. It was frozen, so I'm putting it to thaw out. Okay, alright, and these are my ginger. It's a must. My salt and my Maggi seasoning, and I have pimento here. Also I have my cayenne pepper. Afterwards, I'm going to put my regular seasoning, like my scallion, garlic, or whatever on it. Okay, so I'm going to work with this. Alright, so watch as I go. I'm going to wash my hands. As I say, my sink is on the other side. And I cannot manage the camera doing so many things. The sink is on that side, and my stove and cupboard is on this side. So watch as I go. Alright, you hear the water runs over there. So I have my chicken here. Can you see? I'm going to cut it in pieces. So as you can see, and it doesn't matter what you say, I'll just work on whatever you say. My subscribers and viewers, I just work on whatever you say. Alright, so you cut your chicken in whatever size you want. I always try to cut this piece off. Alright, so you watch as I go. And how is it? Just let me know where you're viewing from. What country are you watching me from? Just let me know. Are you from Canada? Are you from Australia? Are you from Jamaica? Just put in the comment where you are watching from. Okay, my subscribers and viewers, and my friends and my neighbors. So you skin it to your own. I'm showing you how I do it. Okay, so it's all seasoned already, but I did not cut it because I did not know what I'm going to do with it. If I was going to cook it up, bake it already, I did not plan for it, so I just changed my mind. But normally I just slice my chicken in half, season, and put it in the fridge, clean it and everything, and then I put it in the fridge. So this is it now. Alright, so you can see here, it's all washed already, clean already with my lime. Alright. So sometimes I take off the skin, sometimes I don't, but I'm just showing you how I take off my skin. Alright, so I have my ginger, I put some already. As you can see, the seasoning on it before. It already seasoned already, you can see. Alright, and just a little bit of Maggi because some is on it already. A little tips of salt, my subscribers and viewers, and a bit of cayenne pepper. Alright, my beetroot is here, and over here now I have cabbage. I'm going to cook some veggies with it, I'm not sure. And I have corn, carrot, corn, and some lettuce. Can you tell me the name of this lettuce? I don't really know the name. I don't know if it's romaine lettuce, I really don't know. But I have these. I'm going to wash after. And I'm going to put some corn in my chicken, which already been seasoned from maybe a week ago. All right, you can see. And it's good when you marinate your meat, because this has been seasoned like 2 weeks ago. Alright, you can see, all marinated. Alright. Yes guys, so this is my chicken now. This is my chicken. Alright. So I'm going to blend the beetroot. Some more water in it, and you can use like half, depends on the size of your chicken, like half beetroot, or you can use, if you want it darker or you want the real taste from the beetroot, you can use one full beetroot. Okay guys. So this is my beetroot. Smells so good. And what you can do, you can cut You can cut up your beetroot and put it in water. And then you can get the real color. Did not turn off this. Alright. You see my chicken here? I put the pimento. I forgot the pimento, so I put it on it. So look at it now. Just a little tip. And then while I'm cooking, I'm going to put the rest on it. You don't have to put your hands in it if you don't want. You see? And then I'm going to put some coconut milk on it. So the rest of this now, I'm going to cook down the chicken with it. Alright? I'm going to mix it with the coconut milk and put it in it. Alright? So watch as I go. As you can see, my pot is all ready. So I'm just going to grease the pot. Like this. Just a little. I don't use a lot of oil. And a lot of oil is not good for the stomach nor the body. So I just grease my pot like this, alright? And use a lot of water. I use the water instead of the oil. So I just grease the pot, alright? And you can use olive oil. Use your olive oil. Beetroot chicken. And I have my corn here. I'm going to put the corn in it. Come Shaniki, come on. Alright, my pot is all ready now. You can see. I'm going to put my corn in at the same time. I don't want to use too much corn. You see? So I'm not going to put any water on it yet until after you get a little bit more color. See, there's no oil in it and there's no water. Okay, so what as I do? Let it spring its own water. Or if you want, you can put your water in it. And this will take like maybe 20 minutes or half an hour. 20-25 minutes. But the chickens are soft, corns are soft, everything is soft. Alright? So, and my subscribers and viewers, marinate your chicken. It's best when you marinate your chicken, even for half an hour or the night before, or just marinate it. It tastes better. beetroot chicken. And how is it going so far with your day? And remember to tell me where you're watching from, where you're viewing from, what country, what island, where in the world are you? You can see? Watch as I go. This is my recipe. Alright, so watch as I go. You can see it's getting a little brownish. So this is my first water, beetroot water. Okay. See? You see? I'm gonna keep a little bit more. See? So watch as I go. You can see? Over here I have my coconut milk. Color is going to change a bit. Then you can put a bit more beetroot there. See? So my beetroot chicken with coconut milk. Alright, so watch as I go. So if you want to put more beetroot in there to make it a bit darker color, that's okay. Alright. You can see my pot there. Let me know if you're seeing my pot clearly. Please. Are you seeing it properly? If not, make a comment. Alright? I'll be okay with it. Let me know if I need to pull up my camera a bit that you can see. And tell me where you are viewing from. Alright? So I have my season here now. My sweet pepper. I cut up a piece of ginger in it. Ginger is a must. I use a bit of powder, but this one is stronger. So you can put ginger in it, and my onion, and have my scallion at the bottom here. Okay? Okay. And I have a little bit more milk, so I just put it in it. Alright. You can see. Alright. Love you guys. Love you, my subscribers and viewers. Love you. Continue watching. Yes, I'm going to, this is my sauce I'm going to use now. I'm going to put a little of this in it. It's jerk seasoning. But you put whatever you want to put in it. And I have a little of another sauce here. That's Diana sauce. I'm going to put a little in it also. Just a little. You can see? Alright. You can see it now, my subscribers and viewers. Let me know if you are seeing it properly. Alright. You can see it's coming down. Alright. You can try it at home. Beetroot with coconut milk. You put your whatever seasoning you want in it. Alright. Yes, my peeps, yes, my subscribers and viewers, and all those who may comment. I'm washing my veggies now. Okay? So watch as I go. I'm going to put them in this basin. It's my cabbage. Oh, my salt. I'm going to put salt. This is my salt. You open like this. Sometimes they're insect inside. Open like this. Alright. You see? And if you don't have enough water, just put some water in a basin and wash from there. But make sure you wash it more than one time. And this lettuce now, can you tell me the name of it? Is it romaine or I don't know what is, I don't know the name of this one. Somebody gave it to me. You see? So you wash your veggies. Open up your leaves and wash them. These are my carrots that I scraped already. You can see? Scrape them. Throw away this water. Open up your leaves like this. See, that's my veggies. Alright, I'm going to cut them like you see. Yes, guys, this is the veggie now. I'm going to cut it up. And over here I have my pot for my veggie. Alright, so it's veggie with beetroot chicken, and I'm not going to cook my veggie with no oil, no grease. My pot is getting hot for my veggies. bit closer. Can you see? Let me know if you're seeing my cutting up my veggies clearly. If you want to cut it smaller, that's okay. Alright. These are my lettuce. And I do like this. Careful of your fingers, my subscribers and viewers. And tell me where you are viewing from and make a comment. What country are you? Come on, man, come on, let me know where you're viewing from. And how is it going so far for the day? Are you at work? Are you at church? Where are you today? Today is Saturday. Where are you today? You see? And you cut it to whatever size you want. And this is my pot. It's almost there. See my pot? Okay. These cabbage are so big. See my pot here? I'm going to steam it with some water. No oil, no grease. Alright? My veggie keep throwing away. My pot is too small. That's okay. You can see my pot. My pot is too small, so when it get a bit low, alright, you can see, it's my veggie pot. You can see my beetroot chicken. If you want to put more beetroot in it to make it the color of the beetroot, as a matter of fact, you're not going to get the real beetroot color. When it started to cook, the color will change, but it doesn't matter if the color change as long as the taste is there. It doesn't matter. It will change. Most anything colorful that you cook, it change after a while. So the color will change, but if you want to put more beetroot in there, fine. And you can slice the beetroot also and put it in it. Alright? Alright. Thanks for watching, my viewers and my subscribers. And let me know if you are seeing my pot clearly. Yes, my subscribers and my viewers and all those who comment on, all my friends, this is my finished product of my beetroot chicken with coconut milk in it. See? And what I did behind the scene, I slice a piece of beetroot and put in it. Alright? So for you to get a darker color, it's like you cook a piece of beetroot in it, right? So I put 3 pieces in it. Alright, so if you want to cook beetroot in it, it's fine. It's okay, nothing is wrong. So this is my finished product. My daughter will come and taste for me. But everything is good. You put whatever you want to put in your beetroot chicken. Alright, and over here I have my veggies. You can see all my veggies. No oil, no grease, just water. And I tip a little salt in it. You can see it's all finished. Alright, so my daughter will come and taste and let you know how it tastes. Alright, so you can try this at home, and when you try, just let me know where you tried from, what country are you trying my beetroot chicken with coconut milk with veggie. Just let me know where you're trying it from. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thank you for telling a friend to tell another friend. Continue to tell a friend to tell another friend that I am cooking on my channel. Alright, love you my peeps, love you everyone. God bless you. Take care of yourself.